Hey everyone. Today we're witnessing massive chainsaw machines operating at extreme danger levels.
A heart-pounding rescue deep in the forest. A scorched Hyundai excavator lay lifeless on a rugged mountain trail. A steel beast crippled by fire, weighing tens of tons. The recovery team rolled in with a massive caterpillar to tow the wreck back to the rebuild shop. But the sheer weight made the towing machine strain to its limits, lifting both front wheels clean off the rocky ground. The tires spun helplessly on the slope. Just when it seemed impossible, a small excavator charged in from behind, ramming its bucket into the right spot. The two machines moved in perfect sync, powerful, precise, relentless. Beneath shafts of sunlight piercing the canopy, the burnout machine was dragged up like a fallen warrior returned from battle. An epic display of mechanics, coordination, and raw determination. Raw eucalyptus meets a 1050 HP disc chipper with no chance of survival. The Flail 604 strips bark clean. Then the CBI 754 shreds it to perfect chips. From wild forest to trailer ready in under a minute. Pure processing power. The truck carrying wood climbing the Tamazula slope, one of the most dangerous mountain roads in Mexico, is a harsh challenge for any driver. With sharp turns, steep terrain, and limited visibility, every turn of the wheel requires absolute precision and extensive experience. This road is not for the inexperienced, as any mistake could lead to an accident. Driving on the Tamazula slope is not just about controlling speed. It's a test of resilience and exceptional skill. The Arbro 400S stroke harvester head becomes a silent predator. With smooth, powerful strokes, it fells towering trees, strips away branches like peeling silk, and cuts timber into perfect lengths. It's a machine that turns dense forest into neat stacks of timber, ready for the next journey. Built to tear down high-rise structures with precision and power. Equipped with a long-reach boom and heavy-duty attachments, it handles steel, concrete, and rebar like a pro. Its modular design allows quick configuration changes, making it perfect for high-reach demolition and ground-level crushing. Stable, efficient, and built to dominate. This is demolition, redefined. The chaotic mass of limbs and bark is shredded into fine with chips, ejected smoothly from the rear conveyor chute. Whether the chipper is stationed deep in a forest, beside a roadside, or at an industrial yard, it performs its duty flawlessly, without hesitation, as though no environment can disrupt its operation. For the workers, there's deep respect for the machine's power, but never complacency. Every movement, every hand signal is deliberate and calculated. They know that one mistake near this beast of steel could lead to serious consequences. In the whirlwind of engines, with dust and wind, what stands out is a sense of professionalism, discipline, and silent cooperation between man and machine. The 2020 Morbark 6400 XT is diligently performing its task, grinding large logs into fine wood chips with relentless mechanical strength. Its engine hums steadily, like the focused breathing of a tireless worker. Yet, no matter how powerful it is, the grinder can't feed itself. It relies on the help of its trusty partner, the grapple loader. Like a loyal friend, the loader carefully lifts each heavy log, raises it high, and delivers it straight into the machine's intake, like feeding a big slice of cake to a hungry companion. The Morbark 6400 XT wastes no time, devouring each log eagerly and tearing it apart into clean, softwood chips with impressive precision. The Timberjack 810B is an incredibly reliable transport machine, especially in swampy terrain. With a design as powerful as a steel elephant, it glides through mud with ease and can pull itself out of bombs without any assistance. The Bandit 2590 is engineered for high-capacity chipping, capable of processing 24-inch diameter logs at over 60 tons per hour. With only one operator required, this machine turns large-scale forestry waste into usable mulch efficiently and consistently. A true benchmark in high-performance biomass handling. The massive log is lifted onto a sturdy steel platform, like laying a giant onto an industrial operating table. This setup not only secures the log, but elevates it to the perfect height, where the saw blade can strike with maximum efficiency and precision. A thick layer of snow blankets the timber, reflecting the pale light of the winter forest. But in the hands of a skilled worker and under the power of a razor-sharp chainsaw, the frozen log is quickly segmented into evenly sized rounds. With each piercing scream of the blade, the wood yields smoothly clean cuts made with force and finesse, as if even the frost must surrender to steel and human will.